And now Samajwadi Party's Balia candidate Sanatan Pandey has stoked row. He said, and I quote, "All those who fled after committing scam are Gujaratis." So that's the statement that is coming in from Samajwadi Party's Balia candidate, who says that all those who have fled after committing scams are Gujaratis. Let's listen in.
तो लागू करूंगा और कर्जा माफ करेंगे और 1 लाख रुपया हर साल महिलाओं को, नौजवानों को सम्मान से जीने के लिए उनके खाते में देंगे रुपया।
किसानों का कर्जा माफ करेंगे आप?
कर्जा माफ करेंगे, किसानों का कर्जा माफ करेंगे। आप साथी पूछेंगे ये पैसा कहाँ से आएगा, आपका सवाल अगला यही होगा। इस देश का 15 लाख करोड़ रुपया इस देश के कुछ पूंजीपति लेकर देश से बाहर हो गए। उस 15 लाख करोड़ से जो है हम पूरे देश के कर्जे को ही माफ नहीं करेंगे, उनको बेरोजगारी भत्ता भी देने का काम करेंगे। जो भी भगोड़े भागे हैं सब गुजरात के रहने वाले हैं और सब देश के प्रधानमंत्री के जो हित नाथ और चट्टे बट्टे हैं।
And CNN News 18 Siddhant Mishra is now joining us on this story. Siddhant, a very controversial remark coming in from Samajwadi Party's Balia candidate, who says that all the fugitives are from Gujarat.
Well, yes, that's right. In fact, this is the second such remark coming from Samajwadi Party candidate. In fact, if you remember, day before yesterday, it was Maria Alam, and Akhilesh Yadav had to justify or perhaps justify what she said. And today, again, remarks coming which is derogatory, and in fact, it has more to do with targeting people coming from one particular state. So basically, the candidate of Samajwadi Party wanted to say that those who have gone out of country, if they will come to power, they will try to bring all of them back. But what he went on to say exactly was that those people are from one particular community, they are from one particular state, and have close links with Prime Minister Modi. So this is what the Samajwadi Party candidate has said during the public meeting, and in fact this clipping is going viral. Now we are still awaiting response from the Bharatiya Janata Party. What do they have to say on Samajwadi Party candidate again making a controversial remark targeting one particular community? Are they going to go to Election Commission? Are they going to file FIR against Samajwadi Party candidate in Balia? That would be that is interesting. That is interesting to be seen. But right now there is no as such response or rebuttal that has come from Bharatiya Janata Party. Back to you.
All right, Siddhant, thank you so much for getting us that context and all those details. And with that, we're now slipping into a very short break. We'll be right back.